Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hurricane DeFi right here, and in this video we are gonna be checking Fantom One Profit, a new project on the Fantom network. So let's go ahead and get started. Fantom One Profit is the most stable and profitable yield farming D app on the Fantom network. Let's go ahead and check their audit. Later in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to add the Fantom network to your Metamask wallet. So it's not vulnerable, no backdoors and no scam scripts. When they check the contract, there's only an issue, which is when you deposit your money, you're not going to be able to get your initial investment back. So in a sense, you can't withdraw it. You just need to wait in that case for the profit to ROI, which is pretty common with these types of projects. The money you add in will go directly to the liquidity pool. In here they have the Fantom Magic gains plan. You get 17% daily, and for 7 days you get 119%. They have the Fantom stake gains plan plus a 5% bonus. If you reinvest you get 6% daily, and in a 30 days you get 180%. Total value deposited is at $351,000, which has grew astronomically in the past few days, and the contract has over $270,000. They have an affiliate program where you can get 5% if you refer your friends. Let's go ahead and check the contract on the Fantom Scan network. So there is a total of 2,064 transactions, which is still a pretty new project. The value is continuously growing. As you can see, all these transactions right here happening. Let's check their white paper. Here it redirects you to the Fantom and USDT on Binance, so you can exchange and deposit into this project. Here you can take a look at the contract again. For you tech savvy guys, you can take your time with this contract to check if there are any vulnerabilities or something. Let me go ahead and show you how to add the Fantom network to your Metamask. So if you go right here to the Fantom Foundation website, you get all this data right here. You just go to your Metamask, click here on the networks, add network. A window will pop up. You just need to copy this information right here. I'm gonna leave the link to this page in the description below. And boom, just like that, you add the Fantom network to your Metamask. Now you can go ahead and invest in Fantom One Profit. Currently the minimum stake amount is at 5 Fantom, which is at the current price close to $10. Here, for each wallet address, the maximum number of deposits is 100, and like we said earlier, 5% bonus on reinvesting in the 6% day plan, which is the Fantom stake plan. You just go ahead and add your Fantom amount right here, stake, and that's it. Basically, it's straightforward. Here I'm not sure why they have 2 telegrams, but so that was it, guys, basically for this video. It's pretty simple. This project is brand new. You guys can support this channel by subscribing and liking this video. Join the Discord below and give me a follow on Twitter. You can share your thoughts in the comment section below, and see you guys in the next video.